30 motivational thoughts for Bill Gates. 1. Dream big. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. 2. Start today. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is now. 3. Focus on progress. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. 4. You're stronger than you think. Strength reveals itself in tough times. 5. Create your own opportunities. Don't wait for doors to open. Build your own. 6. Let go of fear. Fear is temporary. Regret lasts forever. 7. Be the example. Inspire others by being your best self. 8. Find joy in the journey. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of traveling. 9. Take the first step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. 10. Don't compare yourself. Your journey is unique. Focus on your path. 11. Keep learning. Knowledge is the only treasure that grows as you share it. 12. Stay hungry. Always strive for more, but appreciate what you have. 13. Turn setbacks into comebacks. Failure is just a setup for a stronger you. 14. Keep moving forward. Momentum is key. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. 15. Invest in yourself. Time spent improving yourself is never wasted. 16. Break big goals into small steps. Achieve greatness one step at a time. 17. Harness your passion. Passion fuels perseverance. 18. Learn to adapt. Change is constant. Those who adapt thrive. 19. Focus on solutions. Don't dwell on problems. Seek answers instead. 20. Celebrate others' success. Lifting others up will also elevate you. 21. Be patient with the process. Great things take time, so trust the journey. 22. Overcome excuses. Excuses are barriers to your goals. Break through them. 23. Be accountable. Hold yourself responsible for the results you seek. 24. Visualize your future. See it clearly, and it becomes achievable. 25. Turn I can't into I will. Words shape your mindset. Choose them wisely. 26. Stay humble and hungry. Always be grateful, but never settle. 27. Lead with gratitude. Appreciation creates more opportunities. 28. Know your why. Your purpose is your greatest motivator. 29. Take time to recharge. Rest isn't quitting, it's fueling your next move. 30. Never give up. The only way to truly fail is to quit trying. Keep pushing forward. Bill. Greatness awaits you.